Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the updated steps on how to post a photo on Instagram using your Android device. Whether you're a seasoned Instagram user looking for a quick refresher or a newcomer wanting to get started, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. If you don't have the app installed, head over to the Google Play Store and download it first. Once you're in the app, take a look at the bottom center of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. Tap on that icon, and it will bring up a menu for you to select from. Next, choose Post from the options that appear. This will take you to your photo library, allowing you to select the perfect shot. Now that you've chosen your photo, you have the option to either pick one from your gallery or take a new one right then and there. Whether it's a snapshot of your latest adventure or a cute pic of your pet, make sure it's a great representation of what you want to share. Once you've selected or captured your photo, it's time to get creative. You can edit your picture by applying filters and adjusting elements like brightness and contrast. Play around with the tools until you're happy with the look of your image. After you're satisfied with your editing, it's time to add some words to your post. Write a captivating caption that describes your photo or shares a personal message. Don't forget to tag people if they're in the photo and to add your location. This helps others engage with your post. Finally, when you're ready, tap Share to publish your post. Your photo is now live on Instagram for your friends and followers to see. Thanks for joining us today. Now you know how to post a photo on Instagram like a pro. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.